fundamental understanding of website design starts with HTML. But depending on your eventual career path, it certainly doesn't have to end there. Armed with basic HTML knowledge allows an easier transition to other website design platforms, including PHP, JavaScript, SQL, and many others. That certainly shows how important it is to make our base perfect in HTML. Hello and welcome back, guys. HTML formatting is a process of formatting text for better look and feel. HTML provides us the ability to format text without using CSS. There are many formatting tags in HTML. These tags are used to make text bold, italicized, or underlined. Today we are going to learn the concept HTML formatting. Let's see the agenda of this lecture. First, we'll be seeing what exactly HTML formatting is. Then some tags which are used for formatting. Now let's get started. HTML provides us the ability to format text without using CSS. There are many formatting tags in HTML. HTML provides several tags that you can use to make some text on your web pages appear differently than normal text. HTML formatting tags are divided into two categories. Physical tag, that is used to provide a visual appearance to the text. Logical tag, the tag that is used to add some logical or semantic value to the text. This table shows the 14 options available for how text appears in HTML and XHTML. Bold text, important text, italic text, emphasized text, marked text, underlined text, appear in a text eye and teletype, draw or strike through on a section of text, superscript text, subscript text, deleted text. Now let's see each tag one by one. The HTML element is a physical tag that displays text in bold font. If you write anything within element, it is shown in bold letters. Here's an example of bold text. In this example, we have written, this text is bold in B tags. Let's see the output. Great. The required texts are in bold. Now let's move on to our next tag, strong tag. The HTML strong tag is a logical tag, which displays the content in bold font and informs the browser about its logical importance. If you write anything between strong, it is shown as the important text. Here's an example of strong text. In this example, we have written, this text is important in the strong tags. The text will display as important text. Let's see the output. The required texts are in bold, italic text, and emphasized text. The HTML element is a physical element which displays the enclosed content in italic font without any added importance. If you write anything within element, is shown in italic letters. The HTML tag is a logical element that displays the enclosed content in italic font with added semantics importance. Here's an example of italic text. In this example, we are using italic text on the P tag. Let's see the output. Now you can see the text being italic on the browser. The required texts are in italic. Here's an example of emphasized text. In this example, we have written, this is an important content in the M tags. Let's see the output. The text is displayed as important content. The required texts are italic. HTML marked formatting. If you want to mark or highlight a text, you should write the content within mark. Here's an example of marked formatting. In this example, we have written mark in the mark tags so that this text will be displayed highlighted. Let's see the output. You can see the text is marked. Now, underlined text. If you write anything within U element, it is shown in underlined text. Here's an example. In this example, we've written, write your first paragraph in underlined text in the U tags. Let's see the output. As you can see, write your first paragraph in underlined text has been underlined. Strike text. Anything which has been written within strike element is displayed with a strike through. It is a thin horizontal line that crosses over the text. Here's an example of strike text. Here we have written, write your first paragraph with strike through in the strike tags. Let's see the output. The required texts are strike through. Monospaced font. If you want each letter to have the same width, then you should write the content within TT element. Here's an example. In this example, we've written, write your first paragraph in monospaced in the TT tags, and it'll be the same width. Let's see the output. Great, we got the required output. Superscript text. If you put the content within soup element, it is shown in superscript. It means it is displayed half a character's height above other characters. Now let's take a look at the example. In this example, we have written, write your first paragraph in superscript in the soup tags. So it will be displayed half a character's height above the other characters. Let's see the output. Subscript text. If you put the content within sub element, it is shown in subscript. Means it is displayed half a character's height below the other characters. Here's an example of subscript text. In this example, we've written, write your first paragraph in subscript in the subtags. Let's see the output. The subscript text is displayed half a character's height below the other characters. Fantastic! Now you can see the subscript tag being applied here. Deleted text. Anything that puts within del or del is displayed as deleted text. Here's an example of deleted text. Here we are using the delete text. We've written, delete your first paragraph in the del tags. Let's see the output on the browser. We got the required output. That is it for this lecture. Weren't all tags interesting? Here's an assignment for you. Add extra importance to the word degradation in the paragraph below. P. WWF's mission is to stop the degradation of our planet's natural environment. P. Hint. Use B tag. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Looking forward to meeting you in the next one. Goodbye and solve the assignment. Take care.